clocks spring forward this weekend, and with the change, now might be a good time to start thinking about those smoke alarms.
The Chattanooga Police Department and the American Red Cross teamed up this morning to distribute smoke alarms. News 12's Vivian Ortiz has the details.
The Chattanooga Fire Department and the American Red Cross came together this morning to make sure that residents had working smoke alarms in their homes and went from home to home despite the rainy weather to make sure every house had one. Fire Marshal William Matlock says despite all the fires that have happened in the past few months here in Chattanooga, they do this every year.
We do it every year at the time change, so spring and fall, we make sure we're out in the community in different areas installing smoke alarms. So again, it's something we've done probably for the past 8 to 10 years, and we continue to plan on doing it.
After firefighters installed the smoke alarms into the resident's home, they gave them a card that had escape plans.
When you go outside, like your mailbox, make sure all your family meets at that one place.
One resident says doing this is very important.
It's important because it's like safe for me and for my family.
And to the Red Cross, they say it's important because they want to save lives.
It's important for us to have the community ready for any type of emergency. And we want to reduce the fatalities that comes with a home fire to a minimum.
The fire department want everyone to make it a habit that every time a time change happens, it's time to also put fresh batteries in the smoke alarms. In Hamilton County, Vivian Ortiz, News 12 Now.